How to use Omi TV tutorial. Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how to use Omi TV. So simply go to your web browser and type in Omi TV and you can just click on the first link. So all you have to do here is wait for this to load, and you can actually sign in or sign up using your Facebook or your VK account. You can also get Omi TV on your mobile devices. That's on Google Play or on your App Store if you're using an iOS device. So it's very simple. No other information is asked. You can just simply use your Facebook account or your VK account to log in. And it hits a very basic platform where here you'll be able to see this is their dashboard. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be able to see the right side panel of the screen here. This is your video camera, and the thing here is that you need to make sure that you allow the usage of camera and microphone so that you'll be able to successfully use the Omi TV and interact with other people and make new friends. So here on the left side or right side, lower right side, this is an indication that there's a rule that you need to keep in mind, that you need to make sure that your face is in the camera frame so that you will prevent yourself from getting banned in using this platform. Here you'll be able to use as well the microphone settings. You can choose what microphone device you'll be using for accessing this platform. You'll be able to see how many users are currently using this platform as well. And here on this lower right corner, this is actually the part wherein you can chat with the person on the other side of the camera. You can choose the gender, your country, and on the left side, lower left side, is where you'll be able to start interacting with other people, and that's where you will be able to stop it as well with a red button. So by the time when you click on start, there will be people that would be connecting with you randomly here with Omi TV. And that's basically it. That's how you use Omi TV to interact with other people and make new friends. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!